Right, the next model from this level 2 we are doing. Okay. So that little bit different and standard problems we are discussing. Right? In that connection here, last class we did problem number 4. Now 5 write down f of x equal to say 3 by x square multiplied sine of 2x square when x is negative. Then next there is function x square plus 2x plus c by when x is positive, also not equal to 1 by root 3 because of denominator must be non-zero. When it is 0, remove. Is 0 when x equal to 1 by root 3. In order that fx to be continuous at 0, what is the c value? Answers even numbers given. Right? This is problem, easy only. It takes time to read the statement, but all the way finally to understand, simple. Since f of x is continuous, what is our definition? Since fx is continuous at 0, so limit extends to 0, f of x is f of 0. What is f of 0? Now, see, equality is here, equal to here, 0, 0, c, 0, 1. So, to find c, finally what we do? Find limiting value only. Only limiting value. That also left limit to right limit. Left limit means x less than 0. Limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is equal to c. Limit x tends to 0 but x less than 0, therefore this we have to consider sine of 2x square by x square is c. Then what is next? Because we know standard theorem sin theta by theta. Sin theta by theta, angle and denominator both places must be same. Multiply divide with 2. So, complete. Now what is the c value? C value 6. Okay. Now, sixth is also a very different model. Sixth problem. What is the sixth here? F of x equal to. There is a definition in the different domains. Given -1 when x is negative, 0 when x is 0, 1 when x is positive. Okay. G of x is a function sin x plus cos x. Find the points of discontinuity. Very, very important level problem this is. Points of discontinuity. What is meaning? Point of value of x where fx is discontinuous. Of the function f circle g of x in the interval 4 quadrants 0 to 5. That is the moral story. Story is big. Okay. Here it is a combination of two functions. Composite of two functions. And also notice that options what they give ABCD. Either intervals given or values of x given. You have to check. Now I write here ABCD, you see. First option pi by 4, 5 pi by 4. Pi by 4, 3 pi by 4. 7 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4. These are the different answers. They are only values, not intervals. Suppose if you consider what is its definition f of x when x negative. In the place of x you consider any negative quantity, f value is always -1. F of any quantity which is negative. Therefore, when you operate f for a negative quantity, it remains -1. 0 is okay, leave it till 0. When a positive quantity is here, its f operation will give you 1 for any positive function, for any positive of x. Now you see here, f circle g of x is nothing but, we know that this is our definition. Consider here g of x. What is given? F of sin x plus cos x is -1 when it is negative. Sin plus cos negative. 0 when sin x plus cos x is 0. 1 sin plus cos is positive. Different intervals parallel you will get answer. We will consider easiest procedure like this. Take that middle one. What is here given? Sin plus cos 0. Sin x is equal to minus cos x. Sin by cos is equal to -1. Tan x is -1. Where it is possible? Tan is negative. Okay? Here tan is negative. Actually 1 means pi by 4, 45. You have to get 45 degrees. Either here, but not these two. Therefore, here. Here how to get value of the tan function remains the same, means negative 180 minus theta, pi minus pi by 4. Here how to get 360 minus theta, 2 pi minus pi by 4, means 7 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4 are the two values in the interval 0 to 2 pi, where the middle one definition holds. This decides the answer, sir. Where is this 3 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4? Fourth option. So we are deciding. The remaining answers I didn't discuss reason, they will give you intervals, because the positive sign, negative sign means inequalities. Inequalities will give you set, solution set. Or we say, because the trigonometric functions, you will get intervals. Now very important 7th also, that is is a continuous function. That is what they are telling. Anybody in this chapter, every problem we start continuous function only. X square plus x multiplied fx minus 2 plus 2 root 3 minus 3 minus root 3 of f of x 0 for all x belongs to R, for all real values. What is f of root 3? Simple. Again, it looks very difficult. It gives a confusing one or else a difficult one. Better we leave it not like that. But to understand what they are giving, finally what is the actual question if you translate here, functional equation this is called, right? We need a function f of x. X square plus x into f of x minus 2x plus 2 root 3. Take all f of x terms to one side, or else f of x is common, x minus root 3, remaining terms other hand, minus x square, 2x, like this. That gives you what is f of x actually. Finally, we come to know the problem is that denominator danger cannot be 3, root 3. That is why they will ask you f of root 3. So, since f is continuous, limit x tends to root 3 is equal to f of root 3. They want f of root 3 only. They want only f of root 3. Means indirectly they are asking find limit value. All the total questions, if you understand, we are doing revision of limits only, not extra. Even next chapter also we will get again limits. Differentiation or differentiability. Particularly differentiability is a special chapter before differentiation. Very, very important. Differentiation is not very big issue. Every textbook will give you differentiation. And you can understand. Now we are doing continuity chapter is nothing but limits revision. Now you see here, consider limit of x tends to root 3 minus x square plus 2x minus 2 root 3 plus 3 by, and hence you can observe here it is definitely 0 by 0 form, and we are happy. Whenever it is 0 by 0 form, very shortest, directly go for derivative, final answer only. How you get final answer? That is differentiate minus 2x plus 2 by 1 is f of root 3. Okay. What next? Over. Substitute x is root 3. Minus 2 root 3 plus 2 or maximum you can do over action 2 taking common. If you take 2 common, what are the answers here? I write here ABCD. You select the answer. Okay. Finally, I will do solution and then you put ABCD. Very good. Waste paper. Simply sitting, copying otherwise. Answer. Where is the answer? No, you put right mark. So you are practicing very well how to put right mark in ABCD. Okay? I will do problems. I will explain solution. I will get answer. Finally, dash. Okay? This is also under different problem. 8th one we do. F is a continuous function real numbers, all are real on R. F of 1 by 4n sin of e power n. Finally, special problem. For you, special problem I am doing. Okay? Because you are something special. What is that special? Eating, sleeping. Huh? What is the value of f of 0? Sleepers, eaters. Okay? We have. What is f of 0? Not possible. What are the answers? That is important. Read the question, read the ABCD, put any one of ABCD. Okay? 1, half, 0, 2. Your marks present again. Somewhere your marks present. See? He is asking f of 0. Power. First of all, sin of something is a finite number. Lies between -1 and 1. Here, n square divide everywhere. Next step answer. Why? Just here this every term we are dividing by n square, by n square, by n square. That is the answer. Now you see here, they gave 1 by 4n, they want 0. That means 1 by 4n is 0. As 1 by 4n tends to 0, where is n? Infinity. 1 by infinity is 0. Therefore, limit n tends to infinity, sin theta, where theta is something, anyway it is finite number, 1 by finite number into 0, e power minus infinity 0, e power minus infinity 0, 1 by infinity 0, 1 by 0 infinity. These basics many times we gave in the last first year or beginning only. So many times we got these things. That means finally 0 into finite number 0, 1 by 1 plus 0. Okay. So where is the answer? First option. Finally. Very good only. Very good. Ninth. Particularly, I like these problems. 9 to 10 to 11 to 12 to 13 are exclusively happens for mains exam. But to some extent, this level if you do, you will be perfect at CET level. Right? Now, f of x is equal to what is function here? Very important problem I am doing. Okay. 9th is very important. Fx is equal to a times step of x plus 1, b times step of x minus 1. A, B are non-zero, otherwise problem does not exist. Okay. Now greatest integer function f is continuous at x is 1 if answers are like this. given like this. Okay. Special function. They want at 1. When there is a special function, definitely left and right only. You cannot go direct limit. Left and right, what is meaning? Limit x tends to 1 minus f of x. Limit x tends to 1, but x less than 1. So we are doing left hand limit. Okay. What is procedure? X less than 1, x minus 1 is negative. 0. When it is less than 0, what is its next immediate left hand side integer? Minus 1. In this case, what is the step value? Minus 1. Okay? Now we have decided here. This answer is, this value is minus 1. Here we have to decide when x less than 1, plus 1 is there, adding 1. X plus 1 less than 2. When x plus 1 less than 2, left side what is immediate integer? 1. In this case, what is step value? 1. Hence write down here. Now what is final answer? A into 1 plus b times minus 1. That means a minus b is the finally left hand limiter. Very important. Special functions particularly. These type of problems with special functions, in every chapter you will touch it until you finish calculus. Now left limit is finished. Right limit. Right limit, what is meaning? X tends to 1 plus f of x is same as x is greater than 1. X greater than 1. When x greater than 1, what is x minus 1? 1 minus 1. Or 0 less than x minus 1. Left number is important, not right side integer, because the greatest integer function is for left side value. In this case, what is step value? 0. Again, define this one. X greater than 1, x plus 1 greater than 2, or 2 less than. Here what is step value? 2. Now, write that problem, define symbolic form or definition of greatest integer function will give you a into, what is its answer? 2. B times, what is this answer? 0. We got 2a. Since fx is continuous at 1, x tends to 1 minus is same as x tends to 1 plus. What do you observe? Left limit equal to right limit compulsory, because it is a continuous function. That means 2a must be equal to a minus b, or 2a minus a equal to minus b, or a plus b equal to 0. Where is the answer? You put the right answer. I did solution, you are putting answer. Very happy. Okay. See, this much concept level problem you have to do. No alternate, since it is a special function. Directly guessing the formula or substituting anything, not like that. Such models, if you focus, finally your exam questions will be easy to understand. Okay. See, here greatest integer functions differently given. They gave that it is continuous at 1. We will consider left limit. Meaning is this one. Using this You have to find the step value of x minus 1. 1 take here, negative, 0. Here 0 immediately left side, what is the next integer? Minus 1. In this, what is step value? Minus 1. Again plus 1 we want. Adding 1 here, x plus 1 less than 1 plus 1. Here 2 means here it must be continuous integer 1. For this, what is step value? 1. So a into 1, a minus b. Here we want x greater than 1. Means x minus 1 greater than 0. Reverse. 0 less than this. Left important. Right not necessary. Actually it is less than 1 if you write also okay. In this what is step value? It means EF value 0. Add 1 greater than 2. Reverse. 2 less than. Step value 2. Therefore equal. Relation. They want relation. Good. Problem is good. Next also very good. Okay. What is next very good? 10 or 11 or 12 or 13 are powerfully good problems. Exclusively they are only very standard problems in the level 2 so far. Very important problems we have to discuss. Okay. Same way 10th step of 2x cube minus 6. Good. Very very good. Okay. So next class I will do these last 3 problems left over, very easy, and concept is important here. What we do is next class if I do almost another 10-20 minutes we will finish these 4 problems. Level 3, level 4 now I am not discussing anything because this class is for all types of in general. In the case of only IIT division students, waste fellows are there, they have to continue level 3 also, level 4 also, too much also. Okay, level 4 also you have to continue. Student practice problems. Okay, level 2 student practice problems are there. Continue in the same way, right? Integer values, numerical questions for mains and advanced level. These are all for exclusively JEE preparing students. They can practice anyway, no problem. Next class I will finish and then I will start differentiability. Very very powerful chapter. Enough today.